this is the Speed King winner RC racing car. I'm going to unbox this car and see what features it has.
Good.
And hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel 9 Creators. In this we are going to open the box of the car. We had opened. Now let us open the
This
car.
order is coming Saturday.
I had opened the box of the car. Inside the box, they had given the battery and a charger. So let us keep this in the side and let us come. So this is the car. Wow, what a nice car! So beautiful it is. It's red in color. Wow. To open this car, we should open this. So let us open. I had opened. Open. Let us keep this group in the side. So this is the remote control of the car. So let us keep this in the side. Next, let us go to the car. In remote control it was one. For the car they had given two. So I had opened the car. Next we will come to the features of the remote control of the car. The features are forward, backward, right and left. Close door and open. I think the door will open. So let us put the battery inside the car now. I had put first of all the battery inside the remote. So let us keep the remote in the side and open the screw of the back cover of the car. I had opened. Let us keep the screw in the side. I had removed the back cover now also. So this is the back cover. Let us keep this in the side. Now let us put the battery inside the car. So this is the car. I'm going to put the battery now. I had put the battery. I had fixed it also. Let us put the back cover and the screw. I had put the back cover. Then we will put the screw inside it. I had put the screws. So let us do the test of the car. Now we are going to do the control of the car. So in this remote controller we have the system to open the door and close. It's really working well.